clay art. And so I made this little quail out of clay, and I painted this little quail with acrylic paint. And so I have decided to put these together. And so I'm finding that they can work together. See, look at there. I got the little rock and the quail that's sitting on the rock. It's just a matter of getting it positioned the right way. Let's see here. There we go. Except I think I'm going to turn the quail around. There it is. There it is. You know you got it right. See there, look at there. Isn't that, I love it. I absolutely love it. Hey, thank you guys for dropping. Subscribe to the channel. And I'll be talking with you later. Bye-bye.